Okay, welcome everyone to this video. My name is Mr. Lim, and in the previous video we did Venn diagrams and we listed the elements, but that was with a double Venn diagram. And in this video we're going to do triple Venn diagram, and we get much the same questions. They're all 1 marker still, but they are, because it's a triple Venn, they are slightly more difficult to find. People have issues getting the regions when it's a triple Venn. And also, because it's a triple Venn, we do get some extra new type of question where it's free a triple bit down here. So we'll do those at the end. Okay, so we're given a Venn diagram. It's a triple Venn diagram, A, B, C with elements. And part A, write down the elements in A intersection B. This is A and B. And let's just illustrate this region first. So we've got the triple Venn, that's A, B and C. Now in the double Venn, if I was to do a double Venn with only A and B, the A and B bit is this middle region here. It has just one region, and it's still the same on the triple. If you see that, it's this sort of bit here, but it now consists of 2 bits, because you've got the A and B only bit, but there's also the intersection with C. So the A and B is still the same, but it's just split into 2 bits. So the set A and B will be E and also this G and H. It's all of that. E, G and H. And part B, we now have the A intersection B, but with the word only. So A and B only. So if I now do the triple Venn, so A, B, C. So the A only is going to be only this bit, and it won't include this, because although this is in A and B, it's also in C. But if you have the word only, we just want the bits only in A and B and nothing else. So A intersection B only is going to be this E on the top over there. Okay, part C, write down the elements under set C. So let's illustrate C first of all. So A, B and C, and C is going to be all of this. So you have the parts are in C only, also the bits are in A and C only, and also B and C only, and also the part that's in both A, B and C. So this C is going to consist of 4 regions. So if we find it over here, so C is all of this. So this one doesn't have any elements. Here we have a G and a H. There's an F, and at the bottom here a C and a D. So that's the set C. And part D, now we have C only. So here's the triple Venn, A, B, C. And the parts in C only is going to be just this region, because this is in C and in nothing else. So here, although this is in C, it's also in A. This is in C and B, and this is actually in A, B and C. So C only is going to be the C and the D, just over here. C and D. And part E, write down the elements are not in C. So remember, this C dash means not C. It's also called the complement of C. So complement of C means everything not in C. And in terms of regions, A, B, C. So if C consists of these 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, 4, not C will be everything else. So it'll be this region here, this one here, this one here, and also the outside bit. So we'll just label that over there. So we can find out on this one. So there's C. So not C will be this A, E and B. So A, E and B. And also the outside bit, and we see an I and a J at the bottom outside of everything. So I and J. Okay, part F, we now have A union C. So remember, this is also A or C. This is the bits in A in C and also any overlaps. So in terms of triple Venn diagrams, there's A, B and C. Now let's just do what the double Venn would have looked like. Here's the double Venn. If I do it in the same positions as the original. A union C will consist of A only, A and C only. Now over here then it will be the A only bit, the C only bit, but also these overlaps. You have a bit there, a bit here, here and here. So it actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 regions. A union C. It's exactly the same here, but it's just split up more. So A or C will consist of A, this region here, E, and G and H. That's everything in A. And also the bits that are in C. So there's C, D, and F. And of course they already included any overlaps. And now we've got these triple symbols over here. So this is A and B and C. So A, B, C. So it's the bit that it's in all three, and there's only one region, this one here. This region up here is in A and B but not C. And same over here, this is A and C but not B. And this is B and C but it's not in A. This is the only one that's in all three, the middle bit. So that will be the G and the H. And now we have A or B or C. So this is said A or B or C. And this is the region that's in all the A's, all the B's and the C's, and also all their overlaps. So there's A, B, C. So this is the A only, this is B only, and this is C only. And then this is the part that's in A and C only. This is A and B only, and this is B and C only, and this is A, B and C. And this will be all of that, everything there. So basically everything except for the outside bit. So if we look here, it's going to be the A, E and B. It's basically everything except for the I and J. So it's I think this is alphabetical order, so it's basically A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, but not the I and the J. And that's that.